Flashback to 87 again, and here we are at number 15 with Rolling Stones' Beggar's Banquet from 1968. And what they show there is different from the actual cover because I guess maybe it was controversial. We'll see. Alright, here we go. Number 15 from 1987's list, Rolling Stones with Beggar's Banquet. And here's what the actual cover looks like on the front. I guess back in the 60s they had a problem with the toilet covers being on the front. I guess it was people had a problem with that. But anyway, that's the front cover. That's what happens when you open it up the inside. And then there's the back cover. And then inside, and there's the whole thing if you open it up. So they're in a bathroom and a lot of graffiti on the wall. Beggar's Banquet right here. Alright, this album had songs like Sympathy for the Devil, No Expectations, Dear Doctor, Parachute Woman, Jigsaw Puzzle, Street Fighting Man, Prodigal Son, Stray Cat Blues, Factory Girl, and Salt of the Earth. Talking about salt and a beggar's banquet. Talking about a banquet, Filipinos like to eat. Back in 1987, this album was their number 15 choice. By the time 2003 came along, it actually fell down to number 57. And then in 2020, it's now at number 185. Rolling Stones, Beggar's Banquet. And Filipinos love mukbangs and boodle fights. And that's what's next. What's over there?
They're swimming. Hello, look. Look at that. Hey, I'm gonna change the water.
Huh. Talking about Philippines, I guess we're gonna have a boodle fight today. That just means that you eat with your hands and everybody eats. It's a small group today. Alright, what do we got? Ooh, crawfish. Oh, that's empty. Okay. And Mylene's over here preparing the table. Put the tin foil down and then you put the food on the tin foil.
Yeah. The boodle.
Yay.
Plant.
What?
It's good to have an plant. So.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing? Say hello. How are you doing? Aw, good. Say hi, guys. You heard? It's a video, though.
Hello.
What?
Huh?
Apple.
Apple, that's a pineapple. Oh, yeah, pineapple. Thought you just said apple.
What apple?
Nice thing about having a garden is you can actually get food.
I know, fresh.
Yeah. Huh.
Fresh. This is what I like when there's a garden, you know?
Yeah.
Organic. Hindi ko kabalog di bang kung pansinan eh. Inya karon kasi Ate Joy mahilig mo punana. Hello. Let's eat mukbang. We have a really good food here. Late for later. For the rest. Oh yeah, dai karon nagka.
No, they're all. They stopped moving.
Wala nakaduha ko. Thank you, David.
Oh. Oh yeah, I almost forgot it. With Boodle Fights, you use your hands. You don't use plates. You don't use utensils. You use your hands to eat. That's what Boodle Fight is. Yep.
So cute.
Is this Amara's first Boodle Fight? She ever done a Boodle Fight before? Do you understand the concept?
I can't believe everything there. I can't believe this is the first time. Oh. Philip, come here. Philip. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Alright, the first taste of the Boodle Fight belongs to Michelle.
Oh yeah, belongs to me. Alam mo, eh? Wow. So, karon pag doon naka-Boodle Fight, ani tayo? Ito, ha? Di man yung magkanangay buwan, di man may nani ko. Basta sa sandok lang, anak.
Pwede po magkuha ka ito.
Manggaling ko kabalong mo sa mga budol-budol de, anak, de na? Doon sa imo, ha? Kakuyaw ba de, ani, de, ay? Lim, at pata man, ya. Bisaya.
Mauni nga sausawan kay naipata.
Ah, okay, niya.
Ay, love niyo ang bata. Kani crispy ko, naibalat ka na.
Here. Hey, you guys, come on, eat with us.
Good.
Come on, the pata.
Lasa ang pata.
Fish also?
It was almost there.
Ganang.
Where'd she go?
Gana siya kita.
Show 'em
Sa
some.
mukhaon. Timi.
Just for the record, that was my lead.
Ako magani. Dako na pahap. With this one, with all the flowers.
Ah, little kid tables, huh? Hello, San Antonio. Supporting the Spurs.
Transform this large mission into a fort, strengthening walls, filling windows, and positioning artillery. The structure just outside the compound and south of the west wall was the Charlie House. This belonged to Pedro Charlie, one of the original inhabitants of the mission, who operated a small carpentry shop in the southwest corner of the quadrangle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What is the song?